What's the best niche to earn money online fast? Okay, we've all heard that saying from what was the movie Field of Dreams? If you build it, they will come. Nothing could be further from the truth. Nothing could be further from the truth. As a matter of fact, doesn't matter what your product is, if it's not popular, if it's not something that people are looking for, they're not going to come. Okay, they're not coming. So in this video, what I want to do is I want to go over some of the top niches you can get involved in and make money fast. And if that's your interest, you want to stick with me to the very end. Hey, thanks so much for clicking on this video. I want to get right into this, but I do want to ask you to subscribe real quick and ring the bell, turn on all bell notifications so that you can be notified every single time I do a new video. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up down there. Give me a thumbs up. Okay, so let's talk about this real quick. The idea of selling online, the smartest thing to do to sell online, I'm gonna tell you right now, this is the big secret that nobody tells you, and that big secret is sell something they want. I mean, you know, it makes sense, doesn't it? Don't try to come up with a new thing. There's people out there that already want certain things, and if we start selling those things, we can make money. Now the reality is, if you've got a brick and mortar situation, let's say you sell pizzas, you can rent a spot, you can start making pizzas, and people will automatically come in and they'll just buy your stuff, okay, because of your location, because of where you're at. Now COVID-19 changed that a lot because a lot of people weren't coming in. So the cool thing about selling online is they still bought stuff, but they just did it online. Now I want you to think of it this way: it's about the market first and the product second. It's always about the market because it's always what the people want, and if you start thinking along those lines, you're going to be successful. Now within all of the top niches, which I'm going to give you in just a second, there are a multitude of different products. So the key is to pick a cool niche that has a whole lot of products and sell within that niche. All right, so let's go over the top 10 niches. The first one always has been and probably always will be fitness and weight loss. Always fitness and weight loss. Now we all know logically the solution to this. We don't need to buy any courses whatsoever. We know that if you eat less food and you eat healthier food and you exercise on a regular basis, you won't have a problem with weight. You just won't. However, people are always looking for the silver bullet. I remember years ago my son got the P90X. He says, this is the solution. I said, no, this is one of the solutions, and I did the P90X with him. But you know, there's Weight Watchers out there, there's the Atkins diet, there's South Beach diet, there's the keto diet, there's the CrossFit diet, there's all these things, but they all come down to the same thing, and that is you got to eat healthy and you got to exercise. However, that remains one of the biggest niches. So if you get into that niche, you can sell, you know, protein powders, you can sell supplements, you can sell gym equipment, you can sell exercise programs. There's all kinds of things you can sell because everybody's looking for a quick fix, and we all know there's no quick fix, but if we see a good ad for something, we may click on it and we may buy. The next category, which is closely related to the one I just mentioned, is health. People are always concerned about their health. They're concerned about their heart health. They're concerned about their liver. They're concerned about their kidneys, their brain function, whatever it is. Health, health, health. So there's a lot of products, supplements, exercises, things you can do that are supposed to make you healthy. And there's always something else new coming along. Like right now in health, what's the big thing in health? CBD. CBD's there, right? Medical marijuana is the big thing in health right now. I have a friend who sells medical marijuana cards, and he realized he was really in the health niche. He wasn't in the medical marijuana niche, and now what he's done is he's gone into the health niche, and he's selling all kinds of products that have to do with health instead of just doing the medical marijuana cards. Number 3 is love, dating, and relationships. Okay, everybody's always looking for that certain someone if they don't have one, and unfortunately some people who already have one are looking for one, but that is a big area. They want to know how to be more attractive to other people. They want to know how to attract the other people. Now we all pretty much know the solution to this, or I think I know the solution to this, and if you want to attract a certain kind of person, you should be that kind of person. Okay, if you want somebody that's in great shape and healthy and looks good, guess what? You're going to have to be in great shape and healthy and look good. That's how this stuff works. Okay, if you want to attract a particular thing, just common sense tells you you have to be that particular thing. You know, if you're 300 pounds and you're a guy and you're bald and you sit on the couch every night and you want some hot model, you know, as a girlfriend, it ain't gonna happen. It isn't gonna happen because you don't match. You don't match. Okay, so if you want a better quality person, step one is to become a better quality person. It's really that simple. Number 4 is pets. Oh my gosh, I know in America we have just an obsession with pets. We particularly do in our family because we have rescue animals. We love dogs and cats. My wife has cats and we have a great dog. But if you get in the pet arena, my wife actually does dog training, and you can check out her channel. It's the Furry Family Coach, Jessica L. Fisher. Check that out. If you got a dog, you're gonna want to check that out. We'll put a link on the screen here. But pets, I mean, you can sell them all kinds of things. Now she does dog training, she has courses, she has a book, but you can sell supplies, you can sell food, you can sell all kinds of stuff in the pet arena. People love pets. That's a great niche. Number 5, self-improvement. We all want to be better. We want to be stronger, we want to be smarter, we want to be more valuable. Self-improvement has always been around. There's so many books and videos and tapes and courses and classes on self-improvement. Now if you feel like you know some of those things and some of those ways to improve, maybe you've done some improvements in your life, you can sell products in that area, you could sell courses in that area, you could sell coaching in that area. This is a great niche to be in. Number 6, wealth building through investing. Okay, investing is a big thing, whether it's Bitcoin or it's the stock or it's real estate. This has been a niche that's been around forever. People want to take their money, their hard-earned money, and put it into something that's going to give them a return. Right now a savings account's not going to do that. I mean, if you got 1%, you'd be doing good right now. So that's not where they're going to make their money. They need to figure out how to make money, and if you're good at that and you know how to do that, you can teach that, you can write books on that, you can sell courses on that, you can do coaching on that. That's a great area. Number 7, very dear to my heart, make money on the internet. That's what I teach. That's what I teach on this channel, how to make money on the internet. Now I don't make money one particular way. I own a survival food company, which is a physical product. I have courses on how to do drop shipping. I have courses on Facebook ads. I have courses on Shopify stores, because I've done all these things. Okay, I've done all these things. So once I did them and was successful, I did a course on them. I do coaching. I have this YouTube channel right here. You can go through this channel and you can find all kinds of ways to make money online, because that's what I do. And that's a very hot niche, especially now that a lot of people have lost their jobs. Number 8, beauty. That's a big thing. Okay, all women want to be beautiful, and some men do too. Okay, but the bottom line is beauty and beauty treatments and all that fashion stuff is very popular. If you look at some of the top channels on YouTube, they had to do with beauty, how to apply makeup, how to fix your hair, how to, you know, accessorize your outfit. I don't know, I don't watch these things, but bottom line is they're huge channels, and some of them are done by 14-15-year-old girls. Okay, so if you've got some expertise in that area and you want to teach people in that area, great niche. A lot of products you can sell them, a lot of beauty products you can sell to people once you've built up that audience. Number 9, and this is really a newer niche, this wasn't around when I was a kid, but it's gadgets and technology. Now if you think about it, there's been so many new gadgets. There's iPhones out there, there's this MacBook Pro thing right here, there's all kinds of stuff, there's, you know, all kinds of different cameras. And if you're into gadgets and technology, you know, manuals on that stuff, reviews on that stuff, selling those products themselves can make you a tremendous amount of money. And the last thing on the list, personal finance. People have a really hard time with this. They don't know how to handle their money, they don't know how to manage their money, they don't know how to budget their money. I know one guy on YouTube, Graham Stephan. He has a personal finance channel and he's made a lot of money.
Where it was in the beginning of the year, earning about $4,000 to $6,000 a day, and then it started growing even more. Throughout that month, most days earned anywhere from $6,000 to $8,000 a day, with May 19th bringing in over $10,000.
So there you have it. There are 10 different niches and they're all great, guys. Any one of these are great. If you have more questions about one of these, you want to know more about one of these, you can put your questions below. Maybe you've tried one of these, maybe you've done some of this stuff and you've been successful, or maybe you've had a problem. Either way, put a question below about that and I'll be happy to help you out. In addition to that, if you haven't subscribed, really, seriously, you haven't subscribed, hit that button down there. If that's red, that's a warning to you. If that button's red, that means you haven't clicked it yet. You need to click it and turn it gray. Now when you do, you're gonna get a little surprise. Next to it, a bell is gonna pop up, kind of like this. you need to ring the bell. You need to turn on all bell notifications so that every time I do a new video, you're notified. You don't have to come here searching. I'm gonna come tap you on the shoulder and say, hey, I did a new video. You want to watch it? Come on, let me show it to you. Okay, you'll be part of the Fisher family, the VIP group that gets notified before anybody else. In addition to that, I've put a bonus below. It's a $97 course you can get absolutely free. All you have to do is click the link below. It's a click and learn thing, simple and easy, so make sure you check that out. Don't forget, give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate you guys watching. If you have suggestions for other videos, put them below. I primarily do videos on how to make money online, but every now and then I'll do something a little different, right? This one here is primarily how to make money online, but if you've got a different idea, you've got an angle you want me to talk about, I'll be happy to do so. Thank you so much for listening to this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.